Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know this is a different angle. I'm actually going to open this door. But I asked you guys on Instagram if you wanted to see an updated hair dyeing routine, and tons of you said yes. And yeah, here I am to show you guys how I dye my hair. This video is not sponsored. I just wanted to throw that out there. But this is the product that I've been using for probably about a year now. I started using Madison Reed when I was pregnant with Lincoln. Lincoln is now 9 months. And I think it was about time for me to show you how I dye my hair. And if you guys are wondering if I'm wearing glasses, yes, I I got prescribed glasses about 2 weeks ago. I noticed that I was having like some issues with my eyes. There was times where I was like in line and I couldn't see certain things from afar, or if I was driving late at night, like my eyes just could not concentrate on the road, and I was like, oh my goodness, what is going on with me? And I had not been to the eye doctor in years. Like I think the last time I went to the eye doctor I was, I don't know, middle school, elementary. I don't know, guys. It had been forever. So I did get prescribed glasses, and I know that some of you on Instagram wanted to know like the frame something. I don't know, you guys. These are the ones that I got from the brand Tiffany and Co. And yeah, I just said yes to whatever they offered me. But anyways, that is not what today's video is about. I'm just going to show you guys what I use or how I dye my hair. My hair is naturally pretty dark, but I've been dyeing my hair like a jet black for years and years and years, and I love that. I love dark black hair. It's just who represents me. And I'm going to share with you guys what comes in the box. This is a subscription. You get it delivered either 6, 8 weeks. You can kind of customize it to however you like. I actually discovered Madison Reed because of a podcast that I used to listen to. What's it called? Crime Junkies. I haven't listened to them in a while, actually, now that I think about it. But yeah, I'm just really going to show you guys how this works and how I use it on my hair. I love this stuff because it's super clean. You don't smell anything, which is why I used it when I was pregnant, because I don't want to use anything that had like really harsh chemicals or ammonia or anything that could affect me or my baby, and especially the scent. And this has no smell. So if you're sensitive to hair dyes that have a strong scent, this you're going to love. It has a bunch of really good ingredients in it, and it helps you customize your hair color. You can just go onto their website and sign up. But I'm gonna try to list some products here on the screen so you can see what it's all about. I highly recommend this. Like Madison Reed, if you want to sponsor me, you know where to find me. Just kidding. But yeah, let's go ahead and get into this hair dye routine because Lincoln is currently napping, and this is the only time that I have to show you guys what I do. My hair is like super disgusting right now. There's like so much hairspray residue. Like, do you guys see all that white stuff? I do suffer from ganas. I have a lot of white hair. I think it's just genetics, unfortunately. So yeah, let's go ahead and jump into my updated how I dye my hair routine.
All right, let's start. Okay, so I always have to have either music, a video, or something. Pretty sure I was watching some sort of a crime show or something. I don't know. So this is the Madison Reed box. Again, this is a subscription box and it comes with everything you need, your cream and your color. This is the bottle, which is really nice. And this is the color that I'm actually using right now, which is called Pescara Black, and this is considered to be the blackest black. It comes with gloves which are reusable. Sometimes I wash them and reuse them, and it also comes with a cap, which I thought was just the most amazing thing. I've never tried anything like this, and this is why I've stuck with Madison Reed for over a year, is because they bring you everything. You also get a barrier cream. Barrier cream is just going to keep your skin from getting tinted from the hair dye, shampoo, conditioner, a cleansing wipe, and that's it. That's all you get, and you get an instruction manual. I'm going to start off by applying the barrier cream all over the skin because I apply this so messy. I am super messy, which I am actually surprised that I didn't get super messy this time. I usually do though. Okay, so I applied the barrier cream on my forehead, on the sides of the face, around like the back of the neck, and I also apply it to the ears because my hair naturally sits on my ears. I always notice that I get a lot of hair dye. So I'm just going to apply that and rinse the hands. And then I'm going to start off by sectioning my hair off into 4 equal sides. That's what they actually recommend, but I don't think it really matters. You do your hair however you usually part it. This is just what works for me because I mainly want to touch up my roots and then I will go on and do the rest. Let me tell you guys that if you are looking for a hair dye, either for yourself, for your mom, for your girlfriend, whoever it is, and if you want something that is not going to have any sort of scent, Madison Reed is the one that you want. So now what I'm going to do is I am going to take the cream color and apply it with the liquid. It's like what you do if you already dye your own hair. The best thing is that the results that you get is what you would get at a hair salon. Now, that's not me saying it because I've actually never gotten my hair done at a hair salon, but these are the claims from Madison Reed, and you can just go onto their website and take a look for yourself. You can even talk to them and they can actually help you in guiding you to choose the hair dye for you. So, moving on from that, I like to mainly focus on my roots because, as I mentioned earlier in the video, I do unfortunately suffer from grays and I don't have a crazy amount, but they are pretty visible. And so I try to focus the color on the roots just so I can leave it on for as long as I can. And as soon as I'm done with the roots, I will move on to the rest of the hair. And I was checking everywhere to make sure I didn't get any hair dye, and I was good. I usually get hair dye everywhere. And I was actually not in my bathroom. I was upstairs in the guest bathroom and everything is white. But anyways, after that, that's when I use whatever is left over and I just run my fingers through my hair. Honestly, one bottle is not enough for me. So if you have super long hair like me, and if you have a lot of thick hair, you might want to go with 2 bottles. But for me, like, I don't mind it if my hair is not completely soaked. So after that, once you are done, you just want to take your cap and leave it on for however long you want, depending on your results. If you just want a little touch up, 30 minutes, or if you have stubborn gray hairs, about 40 to 45 minutes, which is what I do. And this is the time that I go with a cleansing wipe. This does contain a lot of alcohol, just warning you if you're sensitive to alcohol. Yeah, but this helps so much with just removing any excess hair dye that you have on your skin, and it doesn't irritate my skin, but it is pretty strong. So just as an FYI, and this is why I'm wearing a long sleeve shirt, because I am messy. After that, I just wash my hair. The shampoo that I'm currently using is the Heritage Color Care shampoo. I am pretty new to this shampoo, so I only use it for the first 2 weeks after I dye my hair. Oh, this stuff is so good. It smells delicious. I love their hairline. It all has the same scent and it smells really good. I do notice that my hair looks super healthy, super shiny, very strong. Well, it doesn't look strong, it just feels very strong. And I love that the hair dye doesn't feel like my hair is damaged. Again, check out their website because it has tons of really good ingredients in the color hair dye, and it's just amazing. I love it. Okay, what can I say? So after that, I just apply my conditioner, and Mr. Lincoln woke up at this point, and yeah, hair was nice and dry.
All right, you guys, it's been a few days since I actually filmed my hair dye tutorial. Mom life keeps me busy, but this is second day hair and that dye just keeps my hair super shiny. As I showed you in the video, I do use the Heritage Color Care shampoo and conditioner. These are pretty new to my hair care routine, so I will keep you updated, but I love the scent. And if you guys want to see my hair care routine, how I straighten my hair, what products I use, straightener, hair dryer, all that stuff, definitely let me know in the comment section down below, and I will be sure to film it for you guys, because my hair just stays super glossy like this. The color stays really put in my hair. Like, I've tried so many hair brands from the drugstore, and Madison Reed has just been the one that stays in my hair. So I hope you guys enjoyed this updated hair dye routine. This is how I keep and maintain my hair super pitch black. I love it. I don't know if I will ever switch my hair to any other color. Like, I'm always tempted to, but at the same time, it's such a maintenance, and I can't do that. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video again. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you so much for watching. I love you all. Stay safe, stay blessed, and until next time, I will see you all in my next video.